Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my cotton cuts box to open today. I'm very excited about my cotton cuts. You guys know I love playing the little game, trying to figure out what the fabric is. I know that like every month they'll send us an email that says these are the fabric lines that are going to be, or fabric collections that we're going to be including in the boxes. And I'm telling you guys, I got so much going on that it goes in one ear and straight out the other. I don't even remember what's going to be in here. So let's get it open. I haven't even cut the tape yet. So here we go. All right. There it is on the inside. It's always perfect. I don't know how they do it. I truly don't. Okay. The first card says, success is not in what you have, but who you are. And on the back, it tells me that Allie put together my box. And oh, little surprise for you guys, I did actually change from reproduction to batiks. So we'll see what we got here. For this month, we have, for the batiks, a fabric collection called Spring in Your Step by Bali Batiks for Hoffman Fabrics. We have, or I've been given, in the holiday seasonal section, I was given Polar Magic by Lemony for Figo Fabrics. In Juvenile and Children's, I was given Kinsey by Whistler Studios for Wyndham Fabrics. And in the blenders, oh, I got some Inferno by Juicy Juice for Andover Fabrics. So excited about that. Let's see. Our designer spotlight is Karen Anderson Abraham. And oh my goodness, they've got a lot to say about her, and the font is like really tiny, so I'm not going to read all of that. I'll try to remember to type it all in, and that way you can learn everything about Karen. That's her photo. She's a lovely lady. And I could see her quilt patterns on the back. She's obviously a very talented lady too. It looks like her company is called Blooming Poppies. On Facebook, she is Blooming Poppies Quilts. Make sure I'm seeing that right. It's kind of tiny. And then on Etsy, she is Bee Poppies Handmade. And her website address is www.bloomingpoppies.net. I'll give you all that information in the description box below. And here we have the 5 quilt patterns that we get to choose from. We get one free one every month. And so I'm going to go around and tell you guys what their names are. This is Road Trip Redo. Am I supposed to say redux or redo? I don't know, you guys. Listen, I'll be honest. Redo, redux, I don't know. Something done over. This one is called Bodhi, I think. This one, oh, thank goodness. Connection. Journey Home. This top one. And this one is called Shelter. And let's see. The Bodhi, if I'm even saying that right, the Bodhi and the Connection kind of look the same. But I think I'm actually liking the Journey Home. I don't know, what do you guys think? This is Journey Home right here. I kind of like that one. What's your choice? Let me know what you would pick down below. Okay, so let's... Oh, and the block of the month. Okay, so the block of the month is called Bow Tie. And you do get the coloring sheet on the back. If you would like to color this in and submit a photo of your finished coloring sheet, you would post it by the 15th of each month, and you want to hashtag CC Color Challenge for a chance to win a Chroma Petite Pop. Okay. Ooh, let's pull the lanyard out first. The lanyard is a beautiful Corey Yoder panel. I love Corioder. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here it is. And you could just, you know, take some of her fabric and put it around in borders and just do a really, like a little wall hanging. Or you could cut it into smaller pieces and make a couple of pillows with a pattern front back. There's all kinds of stuff you could do with this. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I love that. Okay. Yeah, I'm folding it up. I know. Oh, it got folded like this though. Okay. It won't go straight. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay. Here is my box of fabric, and it looks yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. That looks really good. All right, let's refresh. Spring in Your Step Bali Batiks, Polar Magic by Lemony, Kinsey by Whistler Studios, and Inferno by Juicy Juice. Okay, here we go. I like whenever the ribbon's on tight, but I was afraid I wasn't gonna be able to get it all out. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out one at a time. And I'm gonna lay them down. Okay, that looks cute. This looks like it goes with this, sort of. Okay, I know what this is. This is how the batiks are gonna be really nice. Ooh, I know what that is. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I know you guys are like, well, this is the interesting part. I could tell. Okay, I think that goes there. This definitely goes here. This definitely goes there. This goes here. That, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm sitting here going, wait a minute, do I have enough piles? Okay, that definitely goes there. This goes there, and this goes there. Okay, I am pretty sure I got everything, guys. And you know what? It looks good. I'm just going to stick with it. I'm going to pull out the collections as I see that they go together, and we're going to go down the line. So the batiks are first. Spring in Your Step by Bali Batiks for Hoffman Fabrics. I picked 2 fabrics that I think are Bali Batiks. Spring in Your Step. This is the first one. And obviously, you know, like batiks have a certain look and feel. So I have a feeling that every month, if I keep the batiks up, I'm going to get those right. I'm just a guessing. But this is really pretty. I have like this way or that way kind of thing with batiks. And it looks like this month, at least I'm on the, I like it. I'm just wishy-washy when it comes to batiks. And here is the second one. I think maybe because they're in very pretty colors too. It's very pretty. I love that. Okay, so those are the 2 that I think are Spring in Your Step by Bali Batiks. Now, the next category is Holiday Seasonal, which is Polar Magic by Lemony. And I think that it's these 2 that I have right in front of me. I'm saying that because I'll be honest with you, like the name of it, Polar Magic, doesn't really come across to me on this, but because it's holiday seasonal and this is the only thing that looks remotely seasonal to me, this must be it. So here's the first fabric. It's very cute though. I mean, I like it. I love how it's got that coral color and it's got the gold like foil look in there. I do love it. It's very nice. And the second one is this guy. Christmas trees. It's very modern. It's got the gold stars on the tree. And it's cute. I mean, it's like, I don't know that well, yeah, I guess I could put those together. It's just, it's kind of, it almost doesn't feel like the designs are the same, but I'd probably have to see the rest of the collection. And honestly, I have not seen this collection at all. So, I'm going to definitely look this up and share with you guys what the whole collection looks like so that we can see it all together. And okay, the next one is Juvenile and Children's, which is Kinsey by Whistler Studios. And I'm pretty sure I got 4 fabrics from Kinsey by Whistler Studio. This is the first one. And you know, hold up, because I actually think this might go with these guys. Hold up. Because it's got like candy canes in it. And he's standing on a Christmas present. Although I have to say, I don't see that green color in these other two, which is what kind of throws me. They probably did this on purpose, trying to throw me. But I actually think these might go together because also, like, look at his little coral. He's got a little collar. Really? He's got a coral colored collar on. It is kind of a tongue twister, but all right, I'm going to say that these 3 are polar magic. Because actually, there is a polar bear right there. I don't know what I was thinking. I think these 3 go together. In hindsight. Now that I'm going through here. Okay, so that I'm kind of changing my mind along the way there. I know, not fair, but I did get wise to it. So now, with Kinsey by Whistler Studios, I'm pretty sure I've got these 3, and these 3 definitely go together. Okay, so here's the first one. It's got little koala bears. Koala mama, koala baby. Or I guess it could be koala daddy, koala baby. I'm not sure. Maybe the baby is with the mama in one picture and with the daddy in another. And the next one that is Kinsey is this guy, where it's a mama, daddy, baby, koala toss with that lovely blue in the background. And the blender is this guy. It's got all those colors in it. It's a toss of, like, I don't know, you could call it a leaf. You could call it a grain of rice. Call it whatever you'd like. It's a little toss. And, okay, last but definitely not least are the blenders. And the blenders are Inferno by Juicy Juice. And there's absolutely no way that these fabrics could be anything but Inferno. I have seen Inferno. I think it's great, and I'm going to need to open the whole piece of fabric. So I'm just going to show you first the color range that we got in this fabric, and his colors are always like bright and lovely. And what I really like about Inferno is I don't remember, I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm right, there were no like geometric patterns in it, which is the only thing that kind of throws me whenever I see Juicy Juice fabric. I always love the colors, but the geometric things in it sometimes really just turn me off. It's just not my thing. But the colors, oh my goodness, I love the colors he uses. So here is the green one, and I'll show you the whole piece because you have to see it top to bottom. How it's got that gradation in it. It's not ombre. It's like you go from the lighter fabric down to the darker, and I love how he makes it a I mean, he calls it Inferno, so I guess it's supposed to look like a firewood. You know how like fire burns like really hot on the bottom and then it gets, you know, like lighter on the way. This line, I do like it. I think he did a great job with this. Let's see. Oh, there's a bend in there and I didn't get it. There it goes. I know I drive y'all crazy folding the fabric back up. I'm so sorry. Oh, how did I do that wrong? Oh, I know what okay, I won't do it, guys, because it's going to take me forever. Although I have to, because I show you guys the whole package at the end. Okay, hold on. Just give me a sec. I'm going to get this right. Yeah, see, that's what I did. Okay. They fold it in, and then they fold it on itself, and then they fold it in, and then, okay, now I got it the way it's supposed to be. What am I picking up? I'm picking it up. I'm picking it up. Oh, this might be one. Oh, it's one of my faves for sure. It may not be my absolute fave because we haven't got to the pink one yet, but look at this one, guys. OMG. Or it looks almost like strategic paint splatter. I don't know, but it's awesome. Okay, so we got that. And now that I have figured out how they fold, I can go work for Cotton Cuts. Okay, and then the orange one. This one's definitely gonna look like an Inferno. This does look like an Inferno, right? For sure. It's funny, like on the bottom, like right here, it almost looks like it's got a pumpkin in it. Leave it to me to see stuff like that. Okay, let's see. Does it go like that? I think. Why am I confused? Oh no, that's right. I got it. I got it right. Here we go. Okay, and then the last fabric is this pink one. And there it is. I don't know, guys. I think I might like the purple one best. And I'd love to know how they printed this. I really would. Like, is it, I don't know, no two pieces are alike, sort of like with batiks, or I don't know. It's like so interesting the way it was done. I think it's interesting. Okay. So, I'm going to pop these back in the box. Take another gander at them because now I've reordered it to be, you know, all the collections are together instead of mixed up. And I think they do that because they try to do like a little color where they kind of put some of the same colors together. But there it is. And that's the collection of collections that I got this month from Cotton Cuts. I'd love to know what you guys think. And just a note for those of you who may have been watching one of my Cotton Cuts classic box openings for the first time, anything that I type on the bottom of the screen is the correct name of the collection. I'm pretty sure I got them all right this time. But just in case, whatever it is I type on the bottom, that is correct. The things that are coming out of my mouth right now are really just guesses. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I guessed correctly. But that's the fun of it, is I just try to figure it out each month. So I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to give me all those opinions and comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!